Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error invalid kernel handle BSOD error 0x00000093, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to update all drivers on the system, and I'll tell you the exact method to do this. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced options, select optional updates and install all optional updates. Then return to the Windows Update page and click on check for updates. And the last one is a clean boot. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any other service is checked, then click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.